What's going on YouTube? I'm John, and this is just another car dude. Today's video, we're going to be taking a road trip with the Titan. A fellow YouTuber put on Instagram that he needed some help, so we're going to help him out. I'm not going to let you guys know right now who it is though, but you'll find out. Also, put your guesses in the comments, or follow my Instagram at justanother_cardude and put your guesses there. First things first, I have to clean out the bed of my truck because there's snow in there, and of course we're going to do a cold start. Bed of the truck cleaned out the best I could. It's mostly ice now, so I'm gonna have to take a tarp with me. The Harbor Freight free tarp. That should be enough to cover the bed of my truck. Alright guys, I got my kids dropped off, so now I gotta go get gas because quarter tank isn't gonna make it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some gas. I gotta pick up a buddy of mine, so I have some company for the ride down. I got all the essentials and filled the old girl up. She was mighty thirsty. Well, we got our package. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Probably not. It's a transmission. That's your hint. Like I said, I'm not going to tell you who it's for until we get there. But it's a transmission, and he drives a Corvette. That's your two hints. And now the fun part. Long drive. Finally had to take a bathroom break, and we're still 4 hours and 44 minutes away. Transmission's still back there and safe. Oh, we made it to Maryland. Only one more state to go. And Titan's doing real good on fuel, surprisingly. But we're still pretty far away. Alright guys, we're finally on 95 somewhere in Virginia. Only about 2.5 hours to go. Probably going to stop somewhere to relieve myself and get something else to drink. We've driven 238 miles so far.
Take exit 163 for Virginia 642 toward Lorton.
And only used a little over a half tank, which isn't too bad. But yeah, we're gonna keep moving here and see what happens. Right now we're in pretty shitty traffic. Slow. Alright guys, we are less than 20 minutes away from the rendezvous point. And yeah, we're getting pretty low on fuel, but I'm gonna try to push it there anyways. Light ain't on yet, so we should be good. It's been 371 miles on one tank so far. I see him.
Turn right onto US 301 South, then your destination will be on the right.
Guys, I'm not sure if you can see or not, but if you guessed Send It Steve, you guessed right. How's it going, buddy?
You guys are a lifesaver.
Yeah, no problem.
How are you, bud?
I'm good. How are you?
How was the drive?
Long.
Yeah.
Very long.
Definitely. Hi, I'm Steve.
That's Jason, my buddy. Had to bring somebody with me so I didn't fall asleep.
Yeah. I brought her along and she slept half the way here.
Oh, I
so
bet.
I was like,
He's probably going to sleep on the way home.
How the hell did you fall asleep that fast? Yeah.
Yeah, those guys were like, "Do you know Steve?" I'm like, "No, I just seen him post on."
Yeah.
Figured I'd answer. And they're like, "Oh, are you local?" I'm like, "Yeah, Montgomery." They're like, "Oh, no shit."
I really do appreciate it. It helped me out drastically.
Oh, yes. No
I'm
problem.
hoping the track closes tonight at 10:30, so I'm hoping I can get it on because I got everything to where I just got to put the diff on it, put it in the car, and then I drive to the track. So I'm hoping to be able to get it and at least get 1 or 2 passes on it tonight to make sure everything's good. And then tomorrow it's race time. So I'm excited. Awesome. Definitely saved my life. Definitely.
That's all right.
Because if I was going to drive 16 hours, I was just going to stay home.
Yeah, how about it?
I was like, you know what? if I drive up there, I'm just going to get the trains and just stay home.
Yeah.
There's no way I'm going to drive back down here. It's just not worth it. I'll just give them the $1,500 and walk away.
Yeah, that'd be.
Yeah. All right. Well,
crazy long drive.
I'll back over to you while you start fueling, and we'll.
That thing weighs like 10 pounds, man.
Yeah.
I picked it up and I'm like, holy shit.
Yeah.
Like,
I literally try to piece together one good one, and I couldn't.
Like, it's easy. All you gotta do is tear shit apart. I'm like, well, that's the easy part.
Yeah. They're good guys up there.
Yeah, they seem like.
Just send me an output shaft overnight. I'll piece together a whole transmission. I got enough parts to put together a good transmission. But you didn't have another output shaft. So I was like, get me this one. I'll ease it off the line because we're launching until they break. So I was like, I'll ease it off the line and I'll ramp it all the power up high. Like, that's okay to me. As long as it does like a 1.7, 1.6, 60 foot, it ain't gonna break it. When you drop below 1.6 is where it starts, that's a hard launch. So I was like, I'll ramp all the power in up high, get me a trains, and then we'll figure it out. He was like, just take it, don't worry about it. He said, just give me that whole stuff. I can't really complain. I'm gonna get back down here. I do really appreciate it. Just send me your address, I'll send you a shirt. Send me his size, I'll send you one too. So let me know. I really appreciate it. Definitely help me out big time. I'll put all your information. Help me.
I saw your post and I was like, oh, I'm like 3 hours late, but I'm only 15 minutes away.
Yeah, definitely. So again, I really appreciate it. All his information will be up there. Definitely check him out. Give him a subscribe, give him a follow.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. He's building a Focus, guys. A turbo Focus. So, pretty cool build. I had a lot of fun with that Integra I had. I had so much fun with that. It made like no real power, but it was just fun because it's a fucking drive turbo. Yeah, and it made popcorn. Yeah, exactly. How can you go wrong with a car that makes popcorn? Alright guys, we're gonna head back to the shop and get this loaded up. Alright buddy, I appreciate it. Need anything else, let me know. I appreciate it. Another 2 hours south. Yeah. Well, by the time you get home, the train should be in.
I'm not gonna do it tonight.
Yeah, that's all I got. Alright guys, safe travels. I really do appreciate it. Alright, buddy. Yep, we'll see you.
I didn't roll it, I just put it in here.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Alright guys, as you can see, it's now a different day. I got back at like 3 a.m. But yeah, we drove almost 800 miles to deliver a transmission to send it Steve. He's trying to race today and needed a transmission, so I figured I'd help him out. I was close to where the transmission was and decided to make the trip down to help him out. He's a really nice guy. If you don't follow him already, follow him on Instagram. It's sendit_Steve, and he also has a YouTube channel at Send It Steve, and I'll post that in the description also. But yeah, check him out. He's got a twin turbo Corvette, and he's got a big old Ford. She is salty. And as always, if you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at @justanother_cardude. I'll see you guys on the next one.